Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cherubic Mansi, and today I'm here with a haul for you all which will be your known brand. You see this here, Nykaa. So I've got this wonderful Nykaa haul for you guys today, and so let's see what we have got here. So let's continue with the products, okay? Okay guys, the first product that I have got here is let me show you the single product that I've got for the day today. Okay, let me keep it down. Okay, so the first product is this. This is a Plum Renewed Night Gel. Okay, so let's see the benefits of this. So this has it's good for oily skin, it's good for acne skin, it's good for combination skin, and this is a natural product, so you can use it for any kind of skin, not for sensitive. Obviously this is for combination oily acne prone skin. It's a nice sort of gel. Yeah, usually night is the best time when your skin absorbs everything, no? So if you're looking for some night gel or a night cream which is not oily and which can give you a refreshed glow, which does not what you can say, which does not irritate your acne in the night, so this is the product you should go for. This is a night gel from Plum range. This is a tea tree range of green tea range from Plum, and this gives a very good hydration to your skin. So yeah, it fights acne, and it has also got licorice extracts in this, which will also help in the brightening of the skin. So let me show you this cute packaging. Okay, so this comes in this bottle jar. Okay, it says Plum, beautiful bottle jar that will also look very good on your vanity, and this is a very cute bottle. And so if I say about the texture, okay, this, and we have a double security. Let's open this. Okay, so guys, oh my god, you will actually feel like you are applying a bunch of 10-12 tea tree bags on your skin. I mean, just look at this. Oh my god, this smells heavenly. This is the texture. If you can see, it has a sort of a green texture, and guys, this is lovely, I should say. So see, if you can see, actually this is not the full product. I have used it a bit, so I have been using this since a week, and after that only I'm reviewing this product. And this is a great product. So I have bought all this from Nykaa. This is ml, I don't know, yeah, it's a 50 ml of a product in this cute glass tub. It's a glass tub. This will look very sexy on your vanity. If you're looking for a cream which also looks good on your vanity, then go for this one. This is a pretty nice one, and this has got a very good that sort of a fragrance that which doesn't irritate your skin, but yes, it has great benefits too. So this is that kind of a product, just cute little tubby okay, so this is the one. Okay, and now let's move on. So the next product, so okay, the coming products I've got, so that is for my hairs. So first of all, you see my hair, guys. Do you not feel the difference in my hairs at all? I mean, see this. Okay, so I have color treated hair since many years, and whatsoever I apply, apart from my homemade home care remedies that I do, which work very well. So if I talk about the drugstore products or shampoos or anything like that, nothing works on my hair, guys. I'm tired of it. Nothing works apart from the home remedies. So I just wanted something that could go with my hair, and I have used these products earlier. So let me show you guys what are these. So these are the Moroccan oil range. Okay, and so I've got some hair care range. So my hairs, I felt very nice. You just see this, just see the quality. I mean, these are so soft, and even after being colored, you see the shine on my hairs. I mean, just look at them. I just love them. I just play along with my hairs all day now because this is so good. See, okay, so I mean, this is good, right? If I show you, see this. I mean, this is beautiful. I have had so much good effects with this one, and I will say I love this Moroccan oil. So I had used this Moroccan oil products in prior days, I should say 2 to 3 years back. These are on a bit high side, yes, but if you have a budget, and if your pocket is allowing you, then please do not spend your money in buying any other shampoos or conditioners or any other treatments. Go for this Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner and serum, and they've got a hair mask too. So if you have color treated hair, and if your hairs are dry, and if you have a feeling that आप कुछ भी apply करो और कुछ भी असर नहीं होता, your hairs are like as they were. I mean, nothing is going to work after all, because nothing has worked for me. Yes, apart from my home remedies, they have worked. If you want to check out, then those are all there in my YouTube and Instagram channel. Those are the best remedies I have, invented. However, apart from the drugstore product, these are the products which I can vouch on, guys. I give you the guarantee, these will definitely work for your skin. So first I have got this, which is a Moroccan oil smoothing shampoo, and this is color safe. This has no sulfate, this has no phosphate, this is paraben free, and this is a 250 ml of a product. Okay, and so whenever this claims that it lasts for the use of the shampoo, and the effects of this shampoo will last for 72 hours, guys. 72 hours for this pretty one. Okay, so yes, I love this. I have been using this on my, these, you can see my colored hairs. So I mean, these are very soft. I mean, I don't know if you can really tell the difference in this video, but believe me, I am loving this, because it has been, I think, more than 7 years now that I have been coloring my hairs again and again, and even if I oil my hairs and then shampoo it, then also I don't feel any difference. So now I changed it, because once I've used this product, as I've already said, back 3-4 years back, and I really loved the result. I used it just for once or twice. Then I felt like I think I should again go for this brand. I had really good effects, and I don't know why did I forget about this brand. I mean, I don't know how I forgot, but yes, I've got it back in my vanity. And best product, best shampoo for colored, dry hairs, frizzy hairs. You will love it. And let me also tell you, they have got ranges in this. So if your hairs are very fine, like mine, so they have a different range. If your hairs are normal, even if not color treated, they have a different range. If your hairs are too much frizzy, they have a different range. Okay, so they have different kinds of varieties in this. So the next product here I've got is this. This is a Moroccan oil conditioner. This is also color safe, sulfate free, phosphate free, paraben free, and this is for smoothing, because my hairs are dry, so I choose this particular category for my hairs, for smoothing sort of thing, because my hairs are very dry. If your hairs are not very dry, but you're still looking for that, gloss on your hair, that heavy volume, yes, I forgot to tell you, they have even got a range of this Moroccan oil, where they have a range for a volume for your hairs. That range brings volume to your hair. This is really effective, and I love this, I should tell you. So it's been 10 days almost that I've been using these two, shampoo and this conditioner on my hairs, and I am loving my hairs. Seriously, I'm loving them. I am just loving them. I love my hairs now. I mean, if you ask me, if your pocket allows you, and if you think that you can spend a little bit, to take care of your hair, you please go for this Moroccan oil range. This is available in Nykaa and also on Amazon. I have bought this from Nykaa. This is my Nykaa haul also. Yeah, so I will leave a link down below for every purchase that I've made. If you have a budget, if your pocket is allowing you, if your hairs are color treated and you are, you're done with your hairs, nothing is working at all, please go for this. Please go for these products. These are so nice. I mean, I just want you to feel the difference from with your hairs, as I felt. These have just changed my life. These are so good. Yeah. So okay. So another product is also from Moroccan oil, and that is this. So this is a Moroccan oil serum. This comes in this cute packaging, right? And this is the bottle that you have that comes with it. So it says Moroccan oil and treatment Moroccan oil for fine. Okay, so the range I have purchased, listen to this. This is the range is for fine and light colored hair. Okay, so see, my hairs are fine. मेरे बाल बहुत पतले हैं, very fine hairs, means very पतले बाल. So I have purchased this range for myself, because if you have a normal बहुत heavy thick बाल हैं आपके, so we have got another range for that. अगर आपके बालों में volume नहीं है, we have got another range for that. So these people are so good. I mean, and this, you just pump it out like that. So when I got this, इसमें एक cap लगा हुआ था, and I just removed it and I put a pump. So this comes in. This is 100 ml of a serum, guys. I mean, I can just give you guarantee in written for this Moroccan oil range. I mean, from the past 10 days, I have been using these 3 on my hairs. I mean, let me tell you guys, how should I tell you? I mean, I'm in so much love with my hair. They feel so good, they shine like anything. I mean, I just love them. You should definitely give them a try. These 3 products, guys. These 3 products. These 3 are the best. if you are done trying shampoos of every brand, you know, and they're not working for your color treated dry hair, just once go for this. Trust me, this will change your texture of hairs. This is so good. I mean, मेरे को बताना नहीं आ रहा है मैं आपको कैसे बताऊँ उसके कितने अच्छे ये मतलब ये products हैं. And you know, Moroccan oil has been used since many years. If I tell you about something about the Moroccan oil, if you even go to the Google, then you can find many things about Moroccan oil. This particular oil ये आपका सिर्फ एक hair serum नहीं है. Okay, so एक सिर्फ एक hair serum नहीं है आपका, ये जो particular oil है, you see that? Yeah, so this particular oil can also be used as styling and finishing. You know, if you're styling your hairs and अगर आप straighten कर रहे हो, curl कर रहे हो, if you want to apply a serum, you know, so just apply this and then do it. It will not harm you. It will protect your hair from harming from the heat. And if you want, you can use it for oiling also, not only as a serum. अगर आपको hair wash करना है and अपनी regular oil की बजाय you use this oil, and after 20 to half an hour, do not leave it overnight. If you can, it's good. It won't harm you, but it's recommended with the bottle that you use it for 20 to half an hour. You know, 20 minutes to half an hour, and then you wash up your hair. You can use it as oil. Second benefit. Third is you just apply this and you're going out in the sun, you just apply it. It will protect from dust and heat. So what happens is when you apply this oil, all the dust and the dust particles and the heat particles will stuck onto that oil and not to directly the surface of the hair or the scalp here. So this has many benefits, and I should say, if I read this here. Okay, so listen to the benefits, guys. This softens and thick or fine unmanageable hairs and restores natural shine. I agree to this completely. I have got shine back. This controls frizz due to processing and humidity. If you do a lot of heat, apply a lot of heat on your hairs and like that, so this will protect you against that. It will control your frizzy hairs. I have a lot of frizzy hairs. This is nothing. I mean, it was more than this. This controlled a lot. This will bring back your shine in color. I have color treated hair, so it will bring back the shine. It will not let your color fade out easily. It will protect it from UV damage, and it will nourish the scalp. You know, if you have a dry and itchy scalp, this will help you against that. This is not what I am saying, guys. This is what this brand claims. You know, you can just search it in Google, and I believe this is not something that they are claiming. You know, just okay, we have to write something about the product, so just we write it. But it does that. I mean, I have used it. It will reduce the frizz on your hair, it will nourish your scalp, protect from UV rays, it will control your color, it will protect the colored hair from fading, it will soften if you got thick hairs and it's not easy to manage and they're even frizzy. So thick and frizzy hairs can be a great problem. I mean, आपके बाल मोटे भारी भी हैं और frizzy भी हैं, it could look really ugly. So it will control that, it will make it soft and smooth. So guys, product, love it. Please request you to go for this without a doubt at all. Without a doubt, please go for this brand. This is such a good brand. I can vouch on it as many times as I will say. I'm not tired of this brand. I just love it so much. I just regret that why I didn't thought of using it a bit earlier. But no worries. Now I've got it and I will use it, and I'm not going to change it. Seriously, I love it so much. Please, you can go for it, trust me. If you have any questions, then DM me, comment me down below for this brand. Okay, and also we have got this from Nykaa. Okay, and I also ordered a third product, which was a nose strip, to remove your blackheads, and I don't know, I have just lost it somewhere. I'm not getting it, so I will also leave a link to that below. So guys, this was all for today's Nykaa haul. I have many more hauls coming for you, so kindly like, comment down in the video. It helps me a lot, and I'll keep on bringing such hauls, and I'll review the products. So just like, subscribe, and comment, and also press the bell icon. If you're watching this on YouTube, then press the bell icon. You will get notified for my such videos, right? So guys, this was all for today's Nykaa haul. Okay, so bye bye. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Bye bye. Love you.